Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set custom alarm Samsung. We will start by clicking on the clock app and enter the alarm menu. Next, click on the Add a New Alarm icon. After that, we can configure the alarm. We can add the days we want to apply it and a personalized name. We can also choose the alarm sound, which can even be a Spotify song. In addition to this, we can configure the vibration, snooze, or appearance of the alarm. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.